Hello YouTube, welcome back to Live Tommy C. I'm your host Tommy, cutting you. I'm going to come to you live from Martinsville, Indiana. We are on our way to the bowling tournament. And I currently have this little puppy right here for us to listen to on the way there. Plus, we are currently listening to the world famous 923 WTTS. Out of Trafalgar, Indiana. And I gotta tell you something, I just feel so excited about this bowling tournament, and it is like not even kidding. Plus also there is going to be people from all of the Special Olympics bowling. Plus also, I will show you when we get there, like what it looks like the parking, and also just to show you guys some of the beautiful nature. This right here is what it looks like in the winter time here in Martinsville. Now sadly there is like a little bit of construction when we get close to Martinsville. That's what I've been hearing for this I-69 project. And also let you guys know that I am like so excited that I got to hear this radio scanner last night, and it was busy. And I got to, so I am like so excited right now. And this truck that we're about ready to pass is called Renko. So, like once we get up here, this is like once you get up here to Martinsville, there is like two ways you guys could take. You guys could take State Road 39, or you guys could take State Road 37. But because of this silly old construction up here, we have to take I-6 State Road 39. And I gotta tell you something, that is so silly, it's not even kidding. And that was all currently on channel 17. And I gotta tell you something, when this thing gets packed, it gets packed on all these channels, because these are all FRS channels and a couple of general mobile radio service channels, and I am like not even kidding, when they get busy, you guys I will show you when it gets busy, like all the channels, like talk like crazy. And also to show you guys, here comes a a van which I believe is Go Express Travel, because they always go to the airport. And this van right here, you guys can take to the airport right here. And now my mom usually recommends us to drive up there to the airport and take a late flight, because right there, State Road 37 and State Road 39 is closed. So we are currently getting into some like I-69 traffic. And I gotta tell you something, when this thing gets busy, it gets busy. And I know. And like, wow, I gotta say, on their work they did on this. Their work is incredible. We gotta be thankful that we got NDOT for all their help. And also, Daimler Services is right up here. They are another disability service, which is in the Martinsville area, which they use a lot of here in Martinsville. And just to show you guys what the pileup looks like, this is Rally Point B, and that's what it looks like. Pretty much a bunch of stuff. Plus right up here is the Indiana U service area. And right up here, right up there is the Indiana Department of Youth Services. And they also got some really nice restaurants here in Martinsville. They got a Mr. Gaddy's. They got a McDonald's, which this is how busy it looks this morning. And then after that, and up here, it's like where this is just like a normal town for everybody. And I hope you guys like part one of this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.